Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Story Time with Malika. आज के एपिसोड में we are going to talk about something that's very special and close to my heart, and that is tattoos. जिन्होंने मुझे देखा होगा या जिन्होंने जो मुझे जानते हैं would know I have a lot of tattoos on my body. I have close to 12 या 13 tattoos I think. मैंने count lose कर लिया है. But tattoos मेरे लिए it is basically who I am. It is my personality. मेरे tattoos मुझे define करते हैं. मैं अपने tattoos को define करती हूँ. And these are something which are pretty close to my heart. So quick story time. मैंने अपना first tattoo करवाया था which was in 2009. मैंने ankle पे tattoo करवाया था which is a snowflake. अभी जिस हिसाब से टैटूज़ होते हैं बैक इन 2009 द सीन वाज कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट. टैटूज़ के अराउंड काफ़ी स्टिग्मा भी था. इतना इंडिया में पीपल डिड नॉट रियली हैव अ वेरी पॉजिटिव माइंडसेट टुवर्ड्स टैटू. काफ़ी नेगेटिविटी थी व्हेन इट कम्स टू टैटूज़ इन द सेंस कि अगर कोई टैटू करवा रहा है या किसी के पास टैटू है तो पीपल वुड जज बेस्ड ऑन देयर कैरेक्टर एंड व्हाट नॉट. एनीवेज I decided I wanted to get a tattoo done and मैंने उस चीज़ की एक ज़िद पकड़ ली and मैंने अपने पापा को बहुत कन्विंस किया कि मुझे चाहिए. Eventually after I think 10-15 days of this entire drama he agreed and I walked into a studio with just a mindset कि हाँ मुझे tattoo चाहिए. No idea what क्या कैसे and went through a lot of designs जो मुझे tattoo artist ने दिया. Found a snowflake, loved it. Just kind of it spoke to me and I got that tattoo done. So that was my first tattoo जो मैंने 2009 में करवाया था. If I have to think back now, I feel कि 2009 was जब मैं अपना घर छोड़ के कॉलेज के लिए गई थी. It was a year where I was redefining myself, rediscovering myself, and I felt like tattoo was something, it felt very rebellious. It felt very empowering. The thought कि मैं एक टैटू करवाऊँगी मुझे काफ़ी empowering फील हुआ. मुझे काफ़ी एक कॉन्फिडेंस बूस्टर बोल सकते हो या फिर एक स्ट्रेंथ बूस्टर बोल सकते हो was how it felt to me and so that became my zid and I was like नहीं मुझे करवाना ही है. एंड तब लाइक आई सेड ज़्यादा इतना अवेयरनेस नहीं था टैटूज़ को लेके. इतने टैटू स्टूडियोज़ भी नहीं थे. मुझे काफ़ी रिसर्च करना पड़ा था एंड आई फाउंड अ टैटू स्टूडियो एंड आई गॉट इट डन. दैट वाज वन. व्हेन आई गॉट इट डन मैंने कभी ये नहीं सोचा था कि मैं और भी करवाऊँगी. दैट हैड नेवर ट्रांजिशनड इनटू इट. जो टैटूज़ करवाते हैं उनको पता है कि टैटूज़ इवेंचुअली एक एडिक्शन बन जाता है. आप एक करवाओ आपको हमेशा दूसरा तीसरा चौथा करवाना होता है. There are many reasons to it. It could be the way it looks on your body. It could be the way it makes you feel. या तो it could be the gratification जो आपको मिल रहा है because लोग आके आपकी तारीफ़ कर रहे हैं, आपके टैटूज़ की तारीफ़ कर रही है, आपको उसके बारे में पूछ रहे हैं, आपको लोग आके आपसे बात कर रहे हैं. आप देख रहे हो कि एक रूम में 2 लोग आपको पलट के देख रहे हैं because you have like a tattoo and काफ़ी visible बड़ा सा टैटू है and आप देख रहे हो कि लोगों की नज़र पड़ रही है आपके ऊपर. So it could be many things but टैटूज़ के साथ जनरली ये होता है कि आप एक करवाओ और आपको बार बार करवाने का मन करता है. आफ्टर दिस आई डिडंट फील लाइक आई नीडेड एनी मोर टैटूज़. लाइक मेरा ऐसा कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं था पर से. बट 2011 में आई डिसाइडेड दैट आई वुड गेट अनदर टैटू. This was because I had a horrible fallout with a couple of my friends and I felt कि मेरा trust break हुआ. I felt कि like I was just being a good friend but उस चीज़ का फ़ायदा उठाया गया and मेरा यूज़ किया गया and it felt a lot of like these things and it wasn't the first time जो मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ है मेरी लाइफ में, especially when it comes to friends. So I've had a lot of my close friends जिनके साथ चीज़ें have not worked out and so I decided that I wanted to get a tattoo done which was like a reminder कि तू लोगों पे ट्रस्ट करती है एंड लोग ऐसे करते थे. सो इट वॉज़ वेरी मच लाइक अ लाइफ लेसन बोल दो, लाइक अ रिमाइंडर बोल दो या एक अपने आप को एक वार्निंग साइन बोल दो. एंड आई वॉन्टेड दैट टैटू and I decided I'll get a tattoo done. So Trust on my middle finger was the second tattoo जो मैंने करवाया, and इस tattoo onwards like it became a thing for me जहाँ पे I was like I will get वही tattoos done on me जो मेरे लिए काफ़ी मायने रखता है, you know. ये चीज़ें होगी जो कहीं ना कहीं like I said मुझे define करती है, या चीज़ें जो मेरे दिल के काफ़ी करीब है, चीज़ें जो मैं अपने साथ रखना चाहती हूँ जब मैं मर जाऊँ. Like it feels very heavy for somebody to think that, but मेरा यही था कि जो भी चीज़ें मैं अपने साथ till the last breath रखना चाहती हूँ अपने करीब as much as possible. So these are the things जो मैं tattoo करवाऊँगी, and so that became a journey in itself. So like I said, Trust on the middle finger मेरे लिए मेरी tattooing journey का start था in a way. Was the second tattoo जो मैंने करवाया. My third tattoo was Momsi, fourth was Bapuji जो मैंने like mom and dad जो मैंने अपने parents के लिए करवाया था once I started earning. So ये मेरी first salary से in a way आप बोल सकते हो उनको gift है या whatever, but so these were the next tattoos that I did because I'm pretty grateful to my parents for everything that they have done for me, and I wouldn't have been where I am अगर वो उनका support और trust नहीं होता. So tattoo number 3, tattoo number 4, tattoo number 5 is मेरे भाई का नाम है, which is on my neck. He has the same like he has my name on his neck, so pretty similar, but that's tattoo number 5. My brother who is pretty close to my heart again, so that was tattoo number 5. Tattoo number 6 is continue. So this was the tattoo जो मैंने 2014 में करवाया था. This is a semicolon tattoo, and it signifies your struggles for mental health, you know, your journey with mental health. It could be depression, anxiety, stress, suicidal ideation or anything, but it's a homage to that sickness. So this is something जो मैंने करवाया था. So this is tattoo number 6. Tattoo number 7 is my husband's name on my ring finger. Tattoo number 8 is Liverpool Football Club की जो tagline है You'll never walk alone. I love the club. The club in as a whole has also played a lot of has played a very good, you know, the club as a whole has played a very strong role in my life in me getting out of a bad phase, and so absolutely love this club. Very close to my heart, and I had a lot of options into what I wanted to do when it comes to this club, but इनकी जो line है You'll never walk alone in itself I feel is very powerful, and so I wanted that on my body. So this represents my love for Liverpool, so that is what I have on my body. This would be tattoo number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tattoo number 8. Tattoo number 9, tattoo number 10 ये दोनों मैंने साथ में करवाए. इस मेरे बच्चे Oscar is my dog. He's a 3-year-old Shih Tzu जिसका मैंने paw print करवा के उसका नाम लिखवाया है, and Nior, that is my son who is a 2-year-old baby जिसका footprint मैंने tattoo करवा के उसका नाम लिखवाया है. So tattoo number 9, tattoo number 10. Tattoo number 11 is flower here जो मैंने बनवाया है. This is a tribal tattoo from Gujarat. It is called Trajwa जो गुजरात में सौराष्ट्र में औरतें अपनी बॉडी पे करवाती है. It signifies resilience, strength, and औरतें ये अपनी बॉडी पे करती थी, which was like a ornament. They wear their tattoos like an ornament for any bare skin जहाँ पे दिखती थी. For people जिन्होंने रामलीला देखी होगी, I think रामलीला is the movie जहाँ पे दीपिका ने अपनी बॉडी पे करवाई है, या नवरात्रि पे औरतों को आपने देखा होगा they get these 3 dots done here बहुत सारी जगहों पे. So that's the Trajwa script, that's the Trajwa tattoo. Every dot has its own significance. This here is a bawal flower which signifies resilience and strength, and that's something that I wanted to do because it's also from where I come. like it's where I come from, and a lot of people who would know me, a lot of people who've known me would know कि मुझे when it comes to मेरी खुद की where I come from as a whole, मुझे काफ़ी identity crisis थी for a very long time, and so this for me is just represents that. So this was tattoo number 11. Tattoo number 12 is a Tom and Jerry tattoo जो मैंने इस साल राखी में बनवाई. My brother has the same tattoo. Tom and Jerry has been our favorite cartoon. It's what my parents and family members call me and my brother. It's also exactly the relationship that the two of us have. So it very much defines मेरा बचपन in a way. So मैंने और मेरे भाई ने हम दोनों ने same tattoo बनवाया at a same spot इस साल राखी में. That was something that we did this Rakhi. So this is the next tattoo that I did. And the last tattoo जो मैंने अभी I think 2 महीने पहले करवाया. Also it's my first color tattoo, which is the pink leaf जो आप मेरे podcast के लोगों पे देखते हो. So this is the last tattoo जो मैंने करवाया है. Of all the tattoos that you would have seen, if you have to ask me a tattoo which is very close to my heart, or the tattoo that I absolutely love, it definitely has to be Continue. So जिनको नहीं पता होगा, like I said कि Continue semicolon is actually, it's like a representation of mental health illness. So 2013 में Amy Bluey, I think that's her name, I might have butchered the surname, but Amy ने एक movement start किया था, which was Project Semicolon movement. She had started this movement which was like she had dedicated it to her father जिनकी death हो गई थी, and it was a representation of his mental health struggles. So she wanted to kind of respect that, and so she had started this movement. उस दिन से लेके it has gone 10 folds. A lot of people have come forward with their own stories, with their own struggles of mental health illness, be it, like I said, depression, anxiety, suicidal ideation. Why semicolon is just like in an English sentence. जब आप sentence लिख रहे होते हो और आपको वो sentence end नहीं करना होता है, but you kind of want to pause what you are writing and then start another sentence without a full stop, is how we use a semicolon. So the purpose in a tattoo, it's the same. It signifies the same thing कि आपकी life एक जनरल आपकी लाइफ चल रही थी just because आप mental health illness से गुजर रहे हो, या just it's something जो अभी डिटेक्ट हुआ है, does not mean कि आपकी लाइफ ख़त्म हो गई है. End of the day it's the same life. आपकी पहले की जो लाइफ थी वो अभी पॉज हो चुकी है, एंड देयर आर न्यू, अभी आपकी योर न्यू लाइफ इंक्लूड्स दिस सिकनेस, बट इट्स द सेम लाइफ एंड यू कैन गो अहेड एंड यू कैन लिव दिस लाइफ हैप्पीली ever after of sorts. So that was the whole idea behind this entire movement, and like I said, काफ़ी traction pick up किया था. I read about it in 2014, and the minute I read about it, मुझे पता था कि this is something that I need and I'm going to get. Like this is going to be a tattoo which I want on my body. And this tattoo not only represents my journey with mental health illness, it also represents my profession as a whole, because I switched to counseling. It also represents my inclinations towards the advocacy when it comes to mental health illness. So it's all of it combined. It's everything combined. But this is the one tattoo that I'm absolutely proud of, and this is the one tattoo that I absolutely love, and this is close to my heart. And of all the tattoos, this is I would pick this tattoo any day, every day. I absolutely love this tattoo. And so for me, मेरा podcast का लीफ को यहाँ place करना was also the same reason, because for me I feel like it's just an addition, like it's just a continuation of who I am as a person. And also I feel like this podcast has the first thing that I've ever done जो मैंने अपने लिए किया है. And this is me being Mallika, living the life of Mallika, successfully. My role of Mallika is what मैं निभा रही हूँ with this podcasts and not being a mother or a daughter or a sister or a wife or anything like that. And this is just me being me, doing this for myself. And so yeah, precisely placed. But yes, that's my history with tattoos. Like I said, tattoos is my personality, it defines me. I've had a lot of people जिन्होंने मुझे काफ़ी चीज़ें बोली हैं in terms of मैं इतने tattoos क्यों करवाती हूँ, but I don't really care, to be very honest. I've been lucky that I've been in places जहाँ पे tattoos have not become a very big issue, so मुझे कभी job prospect से इस चीज़ की दिक्कत नहीं हुई है. But yeah, I love tattoos. I love getting tattoos done. I always have something or the other brewing in my head, and like I said, it's always something that I'll get done. Like ये मेरा rule है कि मैं वही tattoos करवाऊँगी जो मेरे से काफ़ी close है, things close to my heart and things that I want until my last breath with me are the things that I will get tattooed. So I put a lot of thought into the things, into the tattoos that I do, and I do have a couple of more tattoos, which I definitely want to do one tattoo at a time. My parents, they've never said anything to me. I think after Momsi Bapuji, I think they felt like अब तो हम कुछ नहीं बोल सकते. But also I feel like for my dad it is like your body, your life, do whatever you want to do. So they don't really interfere and they don't really say anything. If anything, like my mom especially, she appreciates every new tattoo और वो मुझे हमेशा बोलती है बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, मुझे भी करवाना है. जैसे this one, I remember मुझे काफ़ी गाली पड़ी थी when I told her कि मैं यहाँ पे tattoo करवा रही हूँ, because it's a sensitive area. Also she felt कि थोड़ा slutty सा होगा because she didn't understand when I said कि मैं गले पे करवा रही हूँ, and मैंने बोला कि मैं hand poke करवा रही हूँ, so it's a hand poke tattoo machine से नहीं है. So this, she was a bit skeptical, but then she loved it so much कि उन्होंने खुद same tattoo करवाया. So मैंने ये जो रोग है जो मैंने पाल रखा है, ये एडिक्शन जो मैंने पाल रखा है, मैंने काफ़ी लोगों को भी पास ऑन किया है. माई ब्रदर फॉर इंस्टेंस, ही हैज़ अ लॉट ऑफ टैटूज़ खुद जो उसने बनवाए हैं. माई मॉम हैज़ अ कपल ऑफ टैटूज़, आई थिंक 2-3 उसके. माई मॉम ऑल्सो हैज़, सो दैट्स अनदर पर्सन दैट आई पुल्ड इस जर्नी में मेरी. माई रूममेट रिनी को मेरे टैटूज़ देख के शी फेल्ट लाइक शी वांटेड टू गेट अ टैटू डन. शी गॉट वन एंड शी गॉट एडिक्टेड, एंड शी इज़ ऑल्सो समबडी जो हर 3-4 महीने बाद तुम्हें टैटू पार्लर में मिलेगी गेटिंग अनदर टैटू डन. So yes, I've been an inspiration to a lot of people कि आप जाके tattoos करवाओ. If this video serves as an inspiration, or if you feel like मेरी story सुन के you want to get a tattoo done of something that's close to your heart, or my philosophy of keeping things on your body, things that you're absolutely close to, please take it forward. Get tattoos done if you want to. If you need assistance with tattoo artists, please drop a comment below, and I'll definitely recommend amazing tattoo artists to you that you could definitely check out. But yes, until then, so yeah, this is it when it comes to tattoos and tattoos ka pyar, and my love story with tattoos and my journey with tattoos, and everything in general. But I'll see you again in the next episode. Until then, like, share, subscribe, press the bell icon so you get a notification जब मेरा next video upload हो रहा है. Trust me, there are a lot of videos which are lined up. If you have any tattoos which has an amazing story, or a tattoo that's pretty close to your heart, I would love to hear about that. So please अपने comments में write about it. And be happy, be safe, and keep getting tattoos. Until then, bye.